Crocodile. What is the name of the poem?
The Crocodile.
And if you say loudly.
The Crocodile.
Very good. The Crocodile poem.
The Crocodile poem.
Okay, shall we sing this poem?
The Crocodile poem.
அழகா பாடலாம் நம்ம இப்ப?
Yes, sir.
கொஞ்சம் அமைதியா கவனிங்க எல்லாரும் இங்க. The Crocodile poem. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws, and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws, and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? Okay.